Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today it's another grocery discovery. Well, it's raining outside, and rain is where we get that cleansing on our ground, where we wash things away, water the plants, help things grow. Well, today's food does similar in our bodies. It helps to detox, it helps to cleanse and wash away toxins. Yes, we're talking about a food that is so important for your kidneys and for your liver. You need to have this food in your diet. It's a food you're very common with, and you already eat it, maybe not beg for it, but you already enjoy it. So we're going to talk about how to enjoy it even more today. Well, thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And God's recipe for excellent health is all about three things. One, I want to help you be confident in the kitchen, confident with your health, and most importantly, confident in understanding how much God loves you. Let's go inside and check out this food. Well, today it's all about celery, and more specifically, we want as many leaves as we can get on a stalk of celery that we buy in the store. So ideally, you would grow it yourself in the garden. I've never done that, but my daughter Molly has, and I didn't even recognize it in the garden. So yes, plan on growing it this season, but if not, buy it in the store. But look for as many leaves as possible, because the healthiest part of celery is going to be the seed, and you can buy that in the spice aisle. But then the next healthiest part is the leaf. Beyond that, then we would go to the stalks. So remember, celery is going to be fantastic for your kidneys and your liver. Celery is exceptionally good for your kidneys. It helps to flush out any waste or any toxins. And when your kidneys are working well, that means your liver is going to be cleansed also. And so anytime we keep our kidneys and our liver healthy, then we have beautiful skin. And not that life is all about beautiful skin, but your skin is a reflection of how healthy you are on the inside. So if you're saying, oh, I've got some things going on with my skin, then you also have things going on with your kidneys and your liver. So I'm going to share with you later in this video 3 ways to enjoy celery today. I mean, you know, you've been eating it, or you begrudgingly been eating it because you think it's healthy. Well, it is. Celery has nutrients in it that's going to give you B vitamins, and B vitamins is that energy. This is why it's the perfect food for athletes. It helps to balance sodium. It helps to balance your acid-alkaline balance. That helps keep your whole body cleansed. That helps to reduce the incidence of cancer being able to be happy and growing. You're inhibiting that. So it's going to be an acid-alkaline balance. It's going to be a sodium balancer, so you're not going to get an overload. And it's a perfect hydration food, which is why it's really good for athletes or even senior adults who just aren't getting the hydration in their cells that they need. Now, not only that, it has high vitamin C. So we're talking energy, we're talking immunity. It's going to help reduce arthritis. There you go. It helps to reduce uric acid and also gout. So, hey, if you know of anyone who is suffering from any of those, make sure you're looking for a bunch like this that has a lot of green leaves. The more green leaves you get on the bunch that you buy, the more health promoting properties you're going to have in whatever you make with it. So we're going to enjoy 3 recipes today, and so for this I'm going to need some celery, so I put that in my cart. I'm also going to grab some green onions, looking for a good bunch here. Hey there. And then we're going to go grab some apples and some yogurt. Okay, this isn't part of my recipe I'm going to make today, but my birthday's coming up, so I'm grabbing me a watermelon. It's hard to get good watermelon in February, but I am definitely going to give this one a try. Well, I grabbed a couple of apples and some organic grapes, and I was going to get yogurt, but they didn't have any here in this small store, so I'm going to use sour cream instead. One of our recipes is going to be Waldorf Salad. And so I already have 5 ribs plus the leaves of some celery, 2 organic apples chopped up. I'm going to add to this what I've already mixed up, which is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I always use an organic mayonnaise. And then 2 tablespoons of an organic yogurt. To this, I've added 1 teaspoon of celery seed. Remember, the seed is where the most nutrition is, then the leaves, and then the stalk. And I've added some freshly crushed pepper. We're going to add some grapes. Now, you may like your grapes cut in half. I just like them whole, especially since these are small organic grapes. And here we have just a beautiful, delicious Waldorf salad. It's an old recipe, but yet it's still timeless. It's a recipe that will still nourish and satisfy. It's beautiful to put on the table. It's great for your family and your kids to enjoy. And the nutritional benefits of this, they don't have to understand it all. We just want them to enjoy it all. So there you have it, just a beautiful dish of Waldorf salad. Second recipe is celery seed tea. This is definitely the best way to get that cleansing effect in your body. So take 2 cups of purified water. Go ahead and heat this on the stove or on a kettle. Once it comes to boiling, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of celery seed. You can get this at anywhere in the spice aisle. And then we're going to let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. And then our last recipe, which is really not anything that we're putting together or cooking, we just use our celery sticks for some hummus. This is just the perfect snack, perfect go-to anytime you need a quick pick-me-up. Gives you the protein that we need, the fiber that we need, and the celery is going to give us the B vitamins, and from that we get our energy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to read your comments down below. How many of you grew up eating celery and maybe some cream cheese or hummus for just an afternoon snack? It's the perfect snack for the brain, for the body, for cleansing, for just revitalizing your day. So enjoy some celery today. Most importantly, remember, I am serving you God's recipe for excellent health, and that is what matters the most. Help you be confident in the kitchen, confident with your health, but most importantly, confident in understanding how much God loves you. And He has loved you from the moment of conception. You're that important to Him. And He designed you exactly as you are for a purpose. And you don't want to alter that at all. You want to just recognize it and enjoy it, because that's where the greatest blessing is going to be. Thanks for watching.